Hi students, I am Nisha James. I am taking biology practical. Today we are going to do the 9th 12th standard biology practical, that is preparation of pedigree chart. So what is pedigree? Pedigree is the diagrammatic representation of a family history. This will help us to know the inheritance of different diseases from one generation to another generation. So this is actually a family tree. And in this family tree, when you are doing this family tree or when you are doing this family diagram, you have to learn about some technical points. So first I am going to tell you the technical points you have to learn while doing pedigree chart. So practical number 9, preparation and analysis of pedigree chart. So I have drawn different types of symbols here. In pedigree chart, normally we are using different types of symbol. Okay, so ये जो circle है, this is normal female, and ये जो rectangular structure है, that is the normal male, and the shaded rectangle, this is the affected male, and this shaded circle, that is the affected female. So ये circle जो है, this is normal female and this one is normal male. If it is shaded is indicating that particular male or female is affected with some disease. Now within the circle, if you find a dot or if you find a cross, then it is called a carrier female. Same way, if you find a dot here or a slash here, then that is the carrier male. So what is the meaning of a carrier? Carrier representing they are not attacked by that particular disease, but they have a power to transmit the disease from one generation to another generation. वो particular person को disease नहीं होगा, they are not affected with the disease, but they can carry the disease from them to the another individual. That is the meaning of carrier. Now look here, you can find this is the cross between male and female. That means if in a pedigree chart, if you are finding such a diagram, then that means the marriage between a male and a female. Now in this you can find the marriage between male and female, and we are getting offsprings. So ये जो representation है, what is this representation? These are the offsprings from a marriage. Because above one is marriage, फिर marriage के बाद offspring होगा. So the offsprings are represented in this lowermost region. Now in this offsprings we are having 2 female and 1 male. So these are the various symbols you have to take care when you are doing pedigree chart. This is very important question. This can be asked for board examination. In board examination, you will be provided with a chart without any labeling. So you have to identify which type of disease that chart is representing and what about the inheritance of the disease. This can be asked for board examination. So now I am going to tell you, okay, I am going to explain one of the chart. In examination there will be no labeling. आपको वो disease को identify करना है और उसका inheritance कैसा है, how many females are get affected, how many males are get affected, how many carriers are there, everything you have to write. This question was asked in last year board examination. So now I am going to explain how to do the analysis of a pedigree chart. So students, now I have done the diagram of one pedigree chart. So here you can find the symbolic representation of a family tree. Okay, so here this is the normal male and this one is an affected female. Okay, so the marriage between a normal male and affected female, then we are getting the offsprings. Offsprings are 3 generations are given here. Okay, so this is the first generation. In first generation you can find that here both males and females are get affected. Okay, so ये जो shaded one है, so this is a normal male, this is a normal female. ये जो shade किया हुआ है, that is an affected female, this is a normal male or this is an affected female. So here you can find that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out of the 7 offsprings, 3 of them get affected. Okay, of this, 2 of them are female and 1 is male. Now when you go to the next generation में here also the marriage between an affected female and a normal male. So we are getting the ratio here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, here also you can find the both males and also females are get affected. So this is an example for an X-linked dominant trait. Why it is called X-linked dominant trait? Because the genes responsible for this disease that is located in the X chromosome. Okay, and this is a mutant disease. The mutant is always dominant than that of the normal allele. Mutant allele हमेशा dominant होता है than that of the normal allele. इसका एक example है, okay, that is muscular dystrophy. Muscular dystrophy. So what is the meaning of muscular dystrophy? The muscles will get damaged. Gradually the muscles will get damaged. As a result, the person will not move properly and sometimes he will be paralytic. This is a very rare disease. It is very difficult to identify the disease in a bigger population. Okay, so if any person, the female is having, या male is having this disease, normally क्या होगा? This will transmit it to each of the generation. So this is one of the example of the pedigree chart. So by this pedigree chart, we came to know what about the analysis of the disease, what about the inheritance patterns of the disease. You can find in each of the generation, the individuals get affected and both males and also females are get affected in this particular disease. Because I told you that this is an X-linked dominant trait. So male consists of XY chromosome, तो उसमें हो सकता है. Female consists of 2X chromosome. So alleles are located in that X chromosome also. So that's why both males and females are having this disease. Okay? Now students, I am going to tell you about an X-linked recessive trait inheritance. So here this is a normal male and I told you that the dotted one is representing carrier. So marriage between a normal male and a carrier one. So carriers are normally not affected with the disease but they have a power to transmit the disease to next generation. So the marriage between the normal one and a carrier female. Then look at the next generation. In next generation you can find that females are always you can find in all the generation you can find the dotted one. That means females are normally carrier, males are always affected with this disease. So here the female is carrier and the male is affected. Okay. Now when you go to the next generation, that is the carrier female and an affected male. So you can find that the generation में आप देख सकता है both female and male get affected. ओके अगर एक कैरियर है दूसरा अफेक्टेड है तो दोनों का ये डिसीज होने का चांस है. दैट्स वाई आपको मैंने बोला था नॉर्मली द फीमेल्स आर कैरियर बट यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं फीमेल इज ऑल्सो गेट अफेक्टेड क्योंकि यहाँ पे फीमेल कंसिस्ट ऑफ 2X क्रोमोसोम. सो वन ऑफ द X क्रोमोसोम फ्रॉम मेल दैट इज अफेक्टेड एंड अनदर X क्रोमोसोम फ्रॉम फीमेल दैट इज अ कैरियर. सो दोनों अगर साथ में होगा देन द फीमेल विल बी अफेक्टेड. Then the males are carrier. So when you go to each of this generation, okay, you can find that when both of them are get affected, then only females को ये disease होने का chance है. Otherwise, females are normally acting as a carrier for this particular disease. इसका एग्जाम्पल मैंने लिखा है X-linked recessive trait है. इसका एग्जाम्पल है red green color blindness. That means some of the persons are not able to identify different colors. So this is red-green color blindness, that is an example for X-linked recessive trait. Okay, so these are the two examples of pedigree chart. Any of the disease can be asked for the examination. Okay, so that is our practical. Okay, so I have explained two pedigree chart. Okay, anyone can be asked. So you have to identify and you have to explain the particular disease. So that is our practical. Thank you.